What's up, stylists and divas? It's your girl, Style Sadie S. It's a new year, so that means new techniques. We ain't doing no skinny, lackluster braid outs no more. Thick and chunky is on the menu. Are you wondering why your braid outs have no personality? You need volume and bounce. And I got you, diva. Let's get into this voluminous braid out. But before we get started, go ahead and drop some wave emojis in the comments and hit that subscribe button. Tools and products needed are Talia Waji Protective Style Setting Mousse, Annie Small Short Perm Rods, Annie Jumbo Rake Comb. I use this comb all the time to prevent breakage, and these cotton hair ties I got off Amazon that I will link below. Just like in my last video where I did my twist out, make sure y'all go watch that video next. In almost every hair tutorial, I start with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. I begin separating my hair in thick sections. I'm using a very generous amount of mousse to each section. Your hair should be fully coated in mousse. This mousse is a staple on my hair shelf. It smells fantastic. The biotin, basil, and bamboo combo, it just gives healthy, baby. And it also does a great job at defining with no flakes when it dries. So we're going to do the same thing to each section, doing thick and juicy braids fully coated in mousse. And when you're doing your braids, be sure to braid in even amounts and do not pull any hair from the sister strands because that will make it harder to take down and cause frizziness. One cool thing I like to do to create some springiness on the ends is add a perm rod to the end. To add your perm rod, you'll start just above the very bottom, then begin twisting up slightly. Next, twist the remaining of the end strands around the rod, making sure you're twisting over top each strand. This helps to secure the strands onto the rod. Now, lock everything into place with the band going over top the twist and pressing the end piece into place. And there we go. It's not as simple as it looks. It took me a couple times to get this method right, so I'm gonna double it back in slow motion and let y'all just observe the whole braiding process along with some tunes, and I'll be back during the takedown. Alright, divas, to take down, I'm using the Golden Sheet Scalp Guide, of course, and to purchase that, the link is in the description below. This oil adds nourishment and a nice slip to prevent tangling and creates an overall smoother takedown. Look at how flowy these waves are. I'm in love. Also, when it comes to separating the braids, it's up to you how voluminous you'd want them. The more you separate, the more volume you will get. So diva, it is up to you. Keep in mind, the more you separate, the curls will fade faster throughout the week. So I'd like to find a nice middle ground of how thick I want my waves so they'll be able to last longer and keep that volume. At the end of this video, I'll add a timeline of how this braid out lasted throughout the week. And I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, they kept up so nicely. I can't wait for y'all to see. Separating the braids should be easy if you followed my instructions by not merging the sister strands within the braid. You'll be able to unbraid very easily in reverse, and it's so satisfying to do. And I'm just so here for how these waves are coming out. Oh my god, I just can't take it. To also keep loving basketball. Oh my god.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
To also keep longevity, I am using Treseme's Extra Hold Hairspray. You can use your favorite hairspray, Diva. I followed up with Cheese Shine and Infusion Spray. This adds a nice shiny touch. This braid out was so bomb. I would definitely try this again. I have been indulging in wearing my hair loose and it is just so freeing. I'll definitely be indulging in more styles like this one. So be on the lookout if you're looking for ways to innovate your natural hair. And that's it, stylists and divas. This was such an easy way to add more volume to your braid outs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And go ahead and drop some wave emojis in the comments if you would try any tips from this braid out. If you do, don't forget to tag me. Also, let me know if you have any tips and tricks for the next time I try this. Thank you so much, stylists and divas. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.